What's up, what's up, what's up, y'all? Back in these YouTube streets yet once again to let you guys know about yet another legitimate work from home program, either affiliate program or a legitimate business that offers legitimate services to you. Services to you. So let's get this started. Right now, I'm here to talk about a site called Siteground. Okay, this is basically one of the hosting programs I use, and it includes everything basically. So I am absolutely in love with this site, and here's why. So basically, they're greatly affordable. When I saw the prices, I was like, wow, you know what I'm saying? Because basically the start off plan was 395. But knowing me, I didn't take the start off plan. I really took the grow big plan, which was only $5.95. And it came with everything I wanted. Okay, so it was equipped, okay, with basically free site transfer, server side caking, backup and restore, PHP 7, SSD disk, and even more famous, like basically AI, anti bot software as well. So it filters out bad traffic for you without worrying. So when it's installed, and when you take advantage of those features, you can be able to do that. Okay, so keep in mind with their secured environment, they are optimized to deliver fast results. So it doesn't matter what business you have, it doesn't matter if you're just starting out or if you're seasonal, you get optimized from them, from them really fast for your businesses, for any business. It's for any business, okay, whether you're affiliate marketing or you're a real business, a legit, business on your own doing it. Okay, so basically, when going through all the steps and going through my researching, I went through their support system just to see if I would get help by a real person or automated system. So the support team is absolutely the best, by the way. And you can see by my reaction, yes, there were live people. Okay, so basically, I tried them out, and they responded to me in less than like 3 to 4 seconds. Okay, the chat that they had, I went to their chat because they have the little pop up box that says, they're welcoming themselves and they're asking if we need any help or if we got any questions. So I typed in to see if I would get an automated answer, and I actually got a real person. I didn't even need the help, but I did it anyway just to see. So because if I have problems, you'll have problems. So I tested it all out. I tested their phone, email, and chat support, and all of them were good. Okay, the email, they sent back to me within 3 to 4 minutes of even sending them a help email, which is very fast because usually it takes a lot of websites a day or two just to hit you back, just to answer one thing. So basically, they were very, very prompt, very good. And the response time was just amazing. So I totally love their support team. It's very real. Mwah. It's awesome. And they have real people behind it, not automated answers for you or automated emails and stuff like that. So basically, moving on, it was fully automated, which I hate about other sites because I actually do like speaking to real people. So I definitely appreciated that they made it my choice to keeping them much easier, for me to make, do with the website. They made it an easy choice for me to make in choosing and keeping them because of the support team they had. Because if anything go wrong, who are we gonna call? Ghostbusters? I don't think so. Okay, so I know y'all was thinking it. I know you were thinking it. I had to say it. So basically, getting to my favorite part of this whole thing is the affiliate program. So not only do I use their web hosting service, but I do use the affiliate marketing most of all. Most of all, because that's just one of my web hosting companies. Okay, which I got for a couple of blogs, not this one. That's another web hosting company I use for this one. So basically, with the affiliate marketing program, uh, you get to make $125 per affiliate, per active affiliate referral. 125 dollars. Basically, you could check out the information from Siteground.com. Go to the bottom of the page, go on the affiliate site. You'll see the affiliate link at the bottom of every website. When promoting any affiliate marketing links, you'll see the affiliate program all the way at the bottom. All right. So basically, as you're hustling, bustling, they automatically hit your pockets with $75 per sale as you're rocking it out. Basically, so not only are you getting paid 125 per referral sale, but you're getting paid an extra 75 per sale, as well, just for rocking it out more. So now while you're growing and you're rocking it out even more, and you get past, like, say 11 to 20 referrals that are active for them, you can automatically get 100 to 125 more per sale. Okay, so it's very, 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 very lucrative. Their affiliate program, which I do like, which is very common for people to make as well. So don't think it's uncommon, or it's like, oh, no, no. No, it's common to make. Even if you deal with ClickBank, it's 75% a referral, but that 75% equals up to, like, sometimes 95, depending on what the program it is you're promoting. Sometimes it equals out to 90 something, and a lot of times, though, those sales equal out to 100 and something, almost to $267 or more. So it just depends on what you're promoting. It depends on what you're looking at. If the gravity is good, the sales is good, the reoccurring commissions are good. Those are the best ones to go after, the reoccurring, because that way you set yourself up to get paid every single month. When your referral signs up and they take advantage of everything, and they keep them, and they signed up through you, each and every time they pay that bill, you get some money. Each and every time they take advantage of an offer inside of the program or the website, you get to earn. Okay, and it's easy like that. Now, for those of you who are in need of how to grow this thing, look, you want to start affiliate marketing? It's not hard. All you need is a good web hosting company, which you can get a cheap domain from. You need to build a website. It doesn't cost much. It doesn't cost anything at all, really, when you go to sites like Wix and Weebly.com. Okay, to get more branded, they do have paying options inside, but to create a website is very easy. All you have to do is be creative and learn how to build things and have a vision. Okay, if you absolutely don't have a vision or creativeness, then maybe affiliate marketing is not your forte, because in our world, you have to be creative with advertising. You have to be creative with how you advertise, how the picture looks, how the words are, how they're spelled. Everything matters to creativity. Okay, so if you do not have that, that will not work. Just wanting the money, you got to have creative side to this business. It's a method to our madness. Honestly, it just is. It's a method to our madness. Okay? We do this, and we make sure it looks good. We make sure the spelling is on point. We make sure our grammar is on point. We make sure everything is on its P's and Q's. Okay? Because all it takes is a misspelled word, and then somebody, oh, it's a scam. It's a scam. It's a freaking scam. That's how they act. So avoid that. Avoid that. All right. So if y'all need any help, please show me some love. Connect with me. Okay. I can show you how to utilize the sites that I've put out here for you to utilize, so you can profit as well. And also, make sure you just show me some commission love, because when you're doing affiliate marketing and you want somebody to sign up through you, that commission karma comes back around. So don't just get the sites and then sign up on the site and then not show me love, because in this world of commission karma, you gonna that's why it's gonna take you a year and something just to make one send you, oh, this doesn't work, oh, this doesn't work, because you're gonna have a lot of people doing what you did, going around me, okay, and then want my help. I keep track of referrals. I keep track of people. They call me all the time, and I'm sorry that I have been away from y'all for a minute, but that's just what it is when you got a toothache and you have certain things. It's just going on in the background that have to be smoothed out. Okay, don't judge your sister. It is what it is. Y'all like my background? Hey, hey, hey. Okay, so basically, I'm back. I'm back, and we finna do this. So, y'all need help? Hit me up. Y'all know how to use the comments. Please don't be rude. You will get blocked, and a lot of people I see try to promote on my comment boards. Your comments are always held for review, which means they never get out there. They never get seen. So you might be able to see what you did, but they won't see it because I blocked that. So if you need, I run a spot. If you can't see, I run a whole spot off of advertising. Okay, and I will be putting a link below, right there, the dial-in number, where people could just come in and basically call in and promote their businesses. So there's no reason to be a cheat. There's no reason to try to ride my coattail. Okay, you could ride it, but it's not what you do, it's how you doing it. Basically, if you understand that, it's not what you do, it's how you do it. Okay, you want to ride the coattail, you want to ride the wave, but do it the right way. And call in once I put the link and the number down there. Once I put the number down there, you guys can call in when I run my shows and basically get your business heard by people. And you can provide me an email with a link. I can put it on right down in the comment section and everything. And you can get your business promoted the right way without having to sneak. All right, so you see the shout outs, you see the bullhorns, you see the shout outs. That's what we do here. So yeah, yo guys, take advantage of Siteground. Look at Siteground. Get your eyeball on, okay, and look at Siteground. Check it out. Definitely sign up to their lucrative affiliate marketing program. Like I said, if you don't know how to do certain things and you need some money and you want to know how to work your angle in this affiliate marketing world, all you gotta do is let me know. And don't cheat trying to put your link and all of that stuff in my comments. Because then I look at your business as a scam, a sneaky scam at that, because of the way you promote it. Got that? And you can always call me. You can always subscribe. Like, subscribe. Call me. Yes, yes. Because that's what we do here. We're showing everybody love. I'm finna show every single person love. So grow with me. Grow with me, because we're gonna be showing everybody love. I don't care if you got a GoFundMe account, long as it's a legit, long as it's something legit, people can either help you or basically help themselves with. Long as it's legit, I don't care if it's a entrepreneurial YouTube channel. Long as it's entrepreneurial, because I'm a check. Long as it's entrepreneurial, I check it out. And if it is what you say it is, definitely you'll earn a spot. When it comes to those like YouTube channels and GoFundMe's, I have to research and see if if you're telling the truth. I do not promote spam channels. I do not promote messy channels. I do not promote anything with any messiness involved. So if you're a messy channel and your channel's built off of boo-boo, don't come here. Bottom line, this is for businesses and young entrepreneurs only. If you're older entrepreneur, seasoned entrepreneur, affiliate marketer, business person, period, and you got a legit program or you got a legit affiliate marketing, you got a legit business, company, service, anything of a business. I don't care if you got a restaurant you want people to go to. As we grow, the word will too. Understand? So like and subscribe, y'all, because it's on. Sister is back. So I'll see y'all in a minute and in this next video, because I got a lot of videos to do, like basically explaining the new systems and programs I have placed up on my blog, just to give y'all a one-on-one with them and see if y'all will like them after the videos. Because explaining it on the blog is just one thing to be like, what's that? Okay, I'm going to explain that to you. Oh, I got the answers. Okay, so hit me in the next video, y'all. I really love this. I really love what I'm doing. I do this, and it's not for fun. So I just come through. All right, like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.